Welcome on board anywhere you are joining me, whether in Nigeria, Africa, anywhere in the world you're joining me. Welcome on board. I am so excited that you are joining me right on the first episode of our program, Power Inspiration, or possibly I can call it Evening Service with Gson Ebuka. My name is Gson Ebuka, and I am gladly your host, and then I'm excited that this is happening right here. By the way, you're joining me. This is Happy New Year from me to you. Yeah, Happy New Year. So excited that we are starting on this note for the new year, and then you know what it means to have everyone gone through the holiday season, and then we are here in the new year. And this happened to be the first Sunday of the new year. I'm super excited, so pumped up for 2020 because this year holds a lot of opportunities and a lot of benefits for all of us equally, regardless of whether you're black or white, African, Asian, or even Caucasian. All of us, wherever you are listening to me right now, welcome to 2020, the first episode for 2020. I'm excited. I'm super excited for this, and we'll be discussing how you can fast track your success in 2020. How to fast track your success in 2020. There are 4 powerful things, simple hacks I'm going to be sharing with you that will help you to fast track your success in 2020. If you're joining us, kindly drop a comment below so that I will acknowledge your presence while you stay with me on this journey. How to fast track your success in 2020. A lot of things have happened. Let me start on the note. A lot of things have happened 2020, 2019, and then now we are in 2020. A lot of things have happened, and you can attest to the fact that it wasn't easy moving from 2019 to this very moment. And if you're here today listening to me, congratulations to you, because it's not an easy thing. Many of us have tried. Many of us couldn't make it to 2020, and some of us are also not here with us. But again, in all of that, we are grateful. We are grateful that we're in 2020. We are grateful that we are part of the history for 2020. But again, most especially, one of the things that matters most to every human being is success. Success. Now, let me start by saying that success is not abundance of money. Success is not abundance of material things. But absolutely, success is a definition of what you set out to do. The definition of what you set out to do, which means that in every venture in life, there's a premium. There's an ultimate goal for what one set out to do for such goal. And again, if you can be able to achieve that you set out to do for yourself, it goes a long way defining what success means to you at that time. Some of us have already set up that in the first quarter of this year, they're going to do this, they're going to do that, they're going to do this, they're going to do that. A, B, C, D. Fantastically well, it is okay for you to set out to do something. But again, what determines success for you may not be the same for me. But at the end of the day, what matters is that did you achieve what you set out to do? That's the premium question. Did you achieve what you set out to do? So if you achieve what you set out to do, that's success for you. Maybe success can be material things. Maybe success can be, for me, intangible things. But at the end of the day, whatever we set out to do, did we achieve it? So I'll be discussing 4 smart ways to fast track your success 2020. Number one thing that I have come to realize that frustrates people ability to achieve their success is finance. Finance has a way of frustrating people's vision. You can see some young girls that have great ideas, But again, because they lack finance, they look as if that it is not going to happen for them. One of the major things you will do in 2020 for you to achieve your success faster than your contemporary is to build multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income. Let me tell you one thing. Money is good. Money is good. Let me permit you to say the scarcity of money frustrates good vision. Scarcity of money frustrates good vision. One of the things you will do in 2020 as you have entered 2020 is to consistently and consciously build multiple streams of income, knowing fully well that largely what you're going to do would be dependent on money. You will have to go and build and find the money first. How do you build such multiple streams of income? You've got to look for businesses. You've got to look for initiatives. You have to look for services, product and services. First of all, services, and then product. Service in the sense that you have to exchange something for your time. You have to become an expert in one thing, then people have to pay you for doing that. You do not have to depend on one stream of income in 2020. You are supposed to have at least 7 sources of income, because the life we are living right now is absolutely complex. And then, be honest with you, it is not getting easier anymore. I will encourage you today that number one thing you will do in 2020 is to build multiple streams of income. If you're a salary earner, find another means to be earning money even outside your salary. If you're not a salary earner, a business owner, find multiple ways that your business, that your solution can generate more income for your business, so that at the end of the day, you will definitely have something to come in from different angles for your business and for your life. If you have multiple streams of income, you will not struggle to pursue your dream this year. If you have multiple streams of income, you will not struggle in finding means to make your dreams come true. So, the first thing I will suggest to you is invest your time looking for multiple streams of income. Invest your time looking for multiple streams of income. Let it be your priority.